Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add subtitles in CapCut. So it's a pretty easy thing to do. So follow the steps I'm going to show you. Head over to your CapCut application. Once you're there, you might get ads sometimes, so have patience. And then once you are done with it, just here, once you are in your project, here you will find your timeline. So select the timeline. I already added one subtitle. I'm going to delete this one so that I'm going to show you. So I'm selecting this place of my timeline in where I want my subtitle. So what I will do is tap on the text option on the button, and here you will find the option of add text. And here you can just add your text, whatever text you want. So I'm just giving it monsoon. Or let me give it a rainy day. So once it is done, you can see there are option of templates, font styles, effects, and animations. So I'm going to tap on fonts. And in here, you can select your desired font. As I'm using the free version, not the pro version, I can't use the pro features. But if you're using the pro version, you can easily use the pro features. So once you're okay with that, just tap on the tick mark. And here goes your caption. So if you just play the video, you can find it. So yeah, this is how you can just add subtitles in CapCut. Hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next video.